For more than 60 years, the College of the Desert has served the Coachella Valley and its surrounding communities as a premier educational institution. And while the campus has grown around its original footprint to accommodate its growing student body, it was time for a facelift. Starting with the heart of the campus, the Hilb Center, the International Fountain of Knowledge, and the Central Campus Quad.
So theoretically, we went from just under 10,000 students to now nearly serving 17,000 students. This space is a response to that growth, and not just a student growth, but to the opportunity or to the message it brings the community that this is your educational institution, and we will respond, we will grow with not just mediocre facilities, with amazing, beautiful learning facilities.
In 1968, the Hilb opened its doors. The three-level, state-of-the-art building, named for its benefactors, Jeane and Justin Hilb, was considered a modern architectural marvel. The design was influenced by the date palm trees that once occupied the land the building sits upon. For nearly 30 years, it housed the campus library.
I'll go to class here every day, and I've seen that front end plenty of times.
Hector Casillas, a full-time College of the Desert student, is also a project engineer on the construction site. Now he is working on transforming the same place he used to hang out in between classes.
Sit down on the steps and eat lunch sometimes, maybe just look at the mountains. It's a good point for where the college is going now.
The updated building more than doubles the size of the current campus library and improves functionality by adding more natural light and creating a modern study space. Being rebuilt to environmentally sustainable standards while maintaining its iconic mid-century modern style.
Building, it's at the center of this campus. It's the heart of the campus. When you drive by on Monterey, you see kind of this open beacon of light, and I think that that is what this building is going to return to be.
At the Hilb's doorstep is the International Fountain of Knowledge and Campus Quad, a place for students to gather. The fountain and quad are the centerpiece of the campus and are also part of the multi-million-dollar upgrade.
Then having it in the center of the campus, it's going to be really great and amazing.
With the library now being more in the center of campus, I can just walk there easier.
With 2019 bringing our largest enrollment ever, the Hilb and Campus Quad are now ready to accommodate our growing student body as we advance into the next half-century and beyond.
This one I see as a whole new place where instead of being a place to look at, it's a place to be.
It's exciting that we decided to prioritize and I think preserve this building.
You get excited when you look at this building. It's a beacon of light in the community. It's a beacon of light in the campus. It's a beacon of hope that sends the message, College of the Desert is here for you and your future, and we will make it happen.
I want to keep the history of what this college has done. It's changed lives, and I think that keeping this building authentic adds to the prestige of the institution and how we want to be perceived in the community.
This is exactly how we create the future.
Join us as we create tomorrow.